We're out here in the hill country of Texas, February 4th, 2011. As you can see, it has snowed a little bit, and temperatures are still pretty low, so fortunately I still have my snow tires since the Subaru is missing its heads. We're going to put the snow tires back on the Cadillac. Wow, what do we have here? It's a lizard of some sort living in my snow tires. Let's see if it looks like he's frozen in there. We got a petrified lizard living in my snow tires. See if I can pick it up if I dare. He's really got his head buried in there. Ugh. Well, maybe we'll take this wheel out first. Come on, little guy. Get out of my snow tires. I can see why you got stuck. Ah, there you go. All right. Wow. Well, sorry about that, fella.